In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to copy a path in File Explorer. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your File Explorer. You can also press Windows key and E key together as an eagle, and that way you'll be able to open this window. Navigate to the left navigation. You can see there they this PC, just proceed to the location. Just proceed to the location. Anything here that you would like to copy. It could be desktop or anything that you would like to copy the path with. So in my case, I'll be navigating to my C drive, okay? And I'll be proceeding to my Windows. Okay. And I'll be here navigating to, let's say for example, into the System 32. Okay, so in order to copy a path of a file here or a folder here in your Windows 11, just navigate to the upper center. You will be able to see a address bar here. Click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you the link, which is the C colon backward slash Windows backward slash System 32. Now make a right click while selecting it and click on copy. In that way, you'd be able to copy it. So let's say, for example, you go with your home. And if you would navigate here at the address bar, delete it, make a right click and click on paste and click on the enter key. In that way, you would be able to be easily navigated to the link that you have copied here at the File Explorer. Okay? So this makes everything easier. Now, once you're good, close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.